Welcome to this exciting video where I'll show you how to leverage the power of Pinterest and ChatGPT to make a whopping $3,000 per week through affiliate marketing. Believe it or not, this strategy is incredibly simple and will only require 5 minutes of your day. So let's dive in and get started on this incredible journey. To kick off, head over to digistore24.com and create an account. Once you're in, browse through the marketplace and select any product that piques your interest. People find meal planning difficult to do, and keto is all the rage, so for this video we'll focus on the ultimate keto meal plan. Copy the affiliate link for later use, and we can move to step 2, harnessing the power of ChatGPT. Open up the platform and type the following prompt. Give me 5 tips to lose weight with keto as a woman. Press enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. It will provide you with a response filled with valuable tips. Next, type the prompt. Take these tips and create a spreadsheet with 1 column for the main points and 1 for the extended description. ChatGPT will follow your guidance and create the spreadsheet accordingly. Lastly, type this prompt. Give me a clickbait title for my Pinterest pin about 5 keto tips for women. Write a catchy and engaging title in plain English. Now with that all done, we can move to step 3, designing eye-catching pins with Canva. Open Canva and search for Pinterest pins in the search bar. Create a blank template and navigate to the Elements section. Type keto food and explore the options available. Choose the element that suits your vision and customize them to create visual appealing pins. Add a shape by pressing R on the keyboard, resizing it and adjusting its transparency. Head to the text section and add a heading and subheading to your canvas. These are for our compelling headers and subheadings. Feel free to experiment with colors and designs for your text. Duplicate this page 4 times. Now, refer back to ChatGPT, copy the first title and replace it in the heading section. Simply copy the description from ChatGPT and replace it in the subheading section. Repeat this step 5 times to complete all the pins. Now we can move to step 4, utilizing the power of Pinterest. Create an account on Pinterest and navigate to the Create section to start creating your pin. Copy and paste the title from ChatGPT into the title section of Pinterest. Similarly, copy and paste the description from ChatGPT into the description section. To add the affiliate link, go to Linktree and create a link. Copy the link and paste it into the designated section on Pinterest. Save your pin and witness your masterpiece come to life. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to create and share captive pins on Pinterest, earning you more and more money every day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, leave your comments and share it with others. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your affiliate marketing journey.